All right, welcome to Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues. We're doing Greek chicken. My first Daddy Jack's down in Texas. Pete and Tony Manzaranis. Pete Lucas and Tony Manzaranis. They gave me a great opportunity. My first starts in the restaurant business. And they used to have a Greek restaurant, Little Gus, where Daddy Jack's is now, the original Daddy Jack's. And so they used to do a nice Greek chicken. So this is I'm going to show you how we're going to do that. Now, this is, I'm going to leave some of the bone on it. I cut one order off of this already for another chicken dish. Okay, Javi, give me that metal pan. So this is what we're going to do here. A little marinara on the bottom. I'm going to put a little white wine. Season the chicken. I'm going to put lemon juice. We're going to fire this in the wood oven, so I'm going to put a little bit of onion, a little bit of bell pepper. I'm going to put some oregano, garlic. I'll put a little bit of butter. I watch you do this. They make big pans of this. They serve it. All right, we'll give that to Steve. I'm gonna use a little bit of garlic, granulated garlic. Gotta have plenty of garlic. All right, Steve, right in your oven, hot oven. Hotter the better, 350, 400 degrees. We'll be right back when it's cooked. All right, that Greek chicken, let's see. Stevie, bring it out. There you go, brother. Woo! Look at that, Bob. Right out of the oven. Be a round plate, man. Look at that, nice. Nice half roasted chicken. Easy. Bake it right in the oven. A little side of mashed potato or oh man. Nice. The natural fat off the chicken. Be careful with the bone. Always, that's good. Hey. Wow. That's what you want. Get the lemon, olive oil. So good. I love using whole chicken, half chickens, roast whole chickens, half chickens on the bone. The flavor cooks into the meat. Can't beat it. Easy dish. Little angel hair underneath or on the side with that sauce. You got it. Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues, 181 Bank Street. Bob, that's your rest of your dinner. You want it?
Phone.
Huh?
I think
You're
your
full?
guys. I think your
Nah,
guys.
Javi doesn't want it.
No, that's what
Javi doesn't want it. Yeah, they do. Yeah, Javi doesn't want it. Yeah.
Manuel, look at him. What are you looking at? Ben,
They'll
that's
take
Daddy
care of it.
Jack's going with the blues here. Having some fun. Peace.